Two things. First of all, it is started by my very dear friend of mine. And as he said, a partner with a partner should करता है तो you have to fully support. Plus, it has got a good concept, and whenever I have thrown some points, some ideas, we were able to somehow discuss on them. आज भी मैंने उनको वॉकिंग में 2-3 आइडियाज दिए हैं, which we shall you will hear about it in future. So it is, he's a man of passion, man of doing something good and creating something wonderful out of nothing. That's what I feel about him. So under his leadership, under his innovative ideas and his systematic approach, definitely, we should support this kind of person and make him rise more and more and contribute more to the society as friendship, as business, and otherwise also. This Guftagu, what you are seeing at this platform is just initial. It has a long way, long history, and it will develop into one of the best groups, business, cultural, social groups of India and internationally. That is my aim. Thank you.